fine. I'm fine. Black Canary versus Sindel, if that's how you pronounce it. DC Comic versus... Oh, Mortal Kombat. Oh, no, the last Mortal Kombat was Johnny Cage versus Captain Falcon. Hello everybody, and today it is time for another Death Battle! This time we got Black Canary versus Sindel, DC Comic versus Mortal Kombat. Now, before you watch my reaction, go check out the original video from Death Battle in the description below. Like, comment, subscribe, then come back to me and we will watch it together. Now, this is tricky. Black Canary is good with good with combat, and yeah, she can yell pretty good, but if somebody hits it, she has like one of those things that boom. While Sindel, yeah, she does have combat training, but also she has like over 1,000 years of experience, even though she was dead. This is making me thinking, should I go with Sindel even though 1,000 years experience? Because, you know, 1,000 years experience person will win. But I'm also looking at the feeds that Black Canary stopped a speeding train and fought Wonder Woman, which she blocked light shots. That's fascinating. Light. I don't remember how much reaction did Sindel did, but I know her strength was way more than Black Canary. It was something 5 magnitude of earthquake, if I remember correctly. So who am I going with? It's got to be Black Canary, but I got a feeling Sindel's going to win just because the years experience. So if Sindel wins, this is going to break the DC Comics winning streak. Not DC versus Marvel, that does not count. But DC Comics versus random. I think that's what but I feel like Black Canary, but I'm gonna go with Sindel. So, anyways, let's get this started in 3, 2, 1, go.
But right
now, it's time for a death battle! Oh, here we go. And it takes place in this. I haven't seen the sneak peek. Oh, wait, is that? Dead. Oh, Black Canary.
Scooby-Doo meets Fight Club.
Enough of this farce, Earthrealmer. Behold your queen.
Oh yeah, she is the queen.
Strip the flesh from your bones.
And there's I forgot his name. Don't forget that Black Canary has combat training. Oh, and Sindel has the hair thingy. Yeah, that's what I just said. Ooh!
Are you hurt, child? Let me sing you a lullaby.
She can survive that.
I almost fell asleep.
Oh!
So are ring outs a thing here?
Insufferable creature, we fight to the death!
Yeah, that's true. It's Death Battle. Oh yeah, she could do that.
Such a pretty bird with such an ugly song. Tell me, can you fly?
Yes, he can. Oh yeah, she has one of those.
Fatality.
I knew it! I knew it!
Looks like Sindel's head is blasting off again! Or, well, for the first time technically, so I tried to work it in, guys.
This battle was a curious one. For the most part, Sindel's physical strength, projectiles, and aerial maneuverability let her keep up with the bird of prey.
Yeah, she was 160 times stronger, but Canary's made a living off fighting superhumans who are even stronger than that, like Mammoth and Giganta, so I guess that wasn't that big of an advantage, really.
Comparing Cabal's bullet timing to her nanosecond reaction, Dinah's reaction speed was easily 60 million times faster, and with her wide array of martial arts abilities, she certainly capitalized on this.
Sure, Sindel had some awesome moves, but sadly, stepping on people like a hot dominatrix doesn't quite stack up when Black Canary mastered way more fighting styles. Plus, she's been training all her life. Adenia was super peaceful before Shao Kahn came along, so I doubt Sindel was taking names and kicking ass all before that.
But let's move on to the comparison everyone wants to know. Which was deadlier, the Banshee Scream or the Canary Cry? We know Dinah's cry could reach 300 decibels. In comparison, the results of Sindel's most powerful scream are similar to a 5.0 earthquake, which is equivalent to only 235 decibels.
I know what you're thinking. That's a difference of only 65 decibels. That can't be all that different. Wrong! It's totally different, because decibels are freaking weird.
See, decibels are not like meters or minutes, which scale geometrically. Instead, decibels scale logarithmically. For every 10 decibels a sound is, its intensity increases 10-fold. So 30 decibels is 10 times greater than 20 decibels, 40 is 10 times greater than 30, and so on.
So, every increase multiplies the sound instead of just adding to it. Wait a minute, that means the Canary Cry would be
about 1 million times stronger than the Banshee Scream, nearly 500 megatons of TNT.
Awesome!
The closest real-life comparison we can make is the Krakatoa eruption of 1883. A volcano blast so powerful it could be heard over 3,000 miles away. Not so different from what Dinah has been shown to be capable of.
It also didn't hurt that Canary had those special membranes in her ears to guard against Sindel's scream.
In the end, Canary had the speed, skill, and raw decibels to finish her.
It was Sindel's time to die.
What, no pun about screams?
Well, I was gonna, but I thought a pun that obvious wouldn't be allowed.
The winner is Black Canary.
Allowed. Next time. Oh yeah, that got the new setup. Oh, I forgot to say something about next time. Ninja Turtles! Power Rangers! Leonardo versus Jason? I guess that makes sense because they're leaders. To be fair, we only got... Hold on. Leonardo has been into a death battle before, but that was way back. Season 1, where there was technically no like actual research, no just weapons and stuff like that. But they did Ninja Turtles Battle Royale, then whoever... I can't spoil that, go check it now. I'll put the link in the description. It's very old. That's a very old episode. As well as Leonardo versus the Battletoads, one of the Battletoads. But now we got Leonardo versus Jason. Ooh, this is gonna be... I bet it's a 3D. It's gonna be a 3D fight. I cannot wait. So... Actually, I do not know much about these two. And real quick, right off the bat, for Jason of the Power Rangers, then I forgot which Megazord. I think it's the Trisaurus Rex Megazord that Jason has, I don't think they're gonna include that one. Unless Leonardo has a some robot thingy, which I highly doubt it he does. So I'm calling that right now. They're not gonna include that, otherwise that would be unfair. Unless Leonardo has experienced something like that before. But I know they're both good fighters and they're leaders. That's what I'm assuming. So back to the this current fight. I knew that Black Canary was gonna win. They didn't even mention about Sindel experience. Why? I thought she was gonna win just because her way experience, but I was provenly wrong. But Black Canary did win. So, congrats to Black Canary. The DC streak is still continuing. Come on, Death Battle. Find a DC character losing. So yeah. The animation was okay. It felt a little bit short, but I did enjoy it, especially the loud screaming. Like it took place in the battle, you know, wherever his name was. The name is gonna be right there. But yeah. I forgot to say something from the beginning of the video about animation of Wiz and Boomstick. This is the, I guess, this season of the animation, like new current form, which I guess that's fine. That's fine with me. So yeah. So I think there's nothing else for me to say. Then that was a pretty good fight. I cannot wait for Leonardo versus Jason. Ninja Turtle versus Power Rangers. The last Ninja Turtle character ever in the death battle was Shredder versus Silver Samurai. And Power Rangers, you saw my reaction to Dragonzord versus Mechagodzilla. I'll put Dragonzord versus Mechagodzilla in the description below as well. So, yeah. What do you think of this fight? Do you think this fight is fair or unfair? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoy my reaction video, give it a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, why not subscribe and hit the bell icon as well. Please support Death Battle for making this awesome analysis, research, and awesome animation. I'll put their channel in the description below. Go show them some love. If you want to see the animation first before it hits to YouTube, become a first member. Yeah. I hope you enjoy my reaction video, and I will see you guys in the next video.